All right, so you're financially down bad, and so is most of your family and friend, but Elon Musk is out here buying Twitter for fun. What's the deal? Is there some secret formula to getting rich? Or did some people just roll out of bed with a golden ticket? And why can't we, the regular folks, get our hands on that golden ticket? Well, today, I'm pulling back the curtain on the whole money game. No gatekeeping, no fluff or BS, just straight up tips and tricks to help us all get a little richer or at least a little less poor. Let's dive in. Money. The illusion we all agree on. Here's the kicker. Money doesn't exist. Okay, it does, because you can use it to buy pizza and Netflix subscriptions with the idea of it, but on the real, it's just paper bills or ones and zeros we all decided to care about. Money is basically a giant game of pretend. Think of it like The Sims. Some people start the game with a mansion, a pool, and a butler named Jarvis. Others start with a tiny house, a broken fridge, and a raccoon for a roommate. And then there are those players who figure out how to master the game, like building a money tree or selling virtual paintings for millions. The economy works the same way. Rich people own the video game server. They invest in tech startups, luxury real estate, and stocks. Meanwhile, most of us are out here trading hours for dollars, working irregular jobs, and wondering why our bank accounts look so sad. Why some people start with a head start? Now, you might be wondering, if money is a game, why do some people start with all the power-ups, while the rest of us are stuck grinding for coins? Here's the breakdown. Inherited wealth, or financial education, or capitalism doing its thing. Inherited wealth. Some folks are born into families where money grows on trees, or at least in trust funds. They don't have to start from zero. Financial education. Wealthy families teach their kids how to play the money game. Investing, saving, and avoiding debt. Meanwhile, the rest of us are out here Googling what is a 401k. Capitalism. The system is designed to keep the rich rich and the rest of our living paychecks to paychecks. How to hack the money game. So, how do you level up in this rigged game? Here's your cheat sheet. First of all, comprehend how money moves. Most people exchange hours of time for money, working a job. Rich people trade money for more money, investing. Broke mindset. I'll work overtime to make more money. Rich mindset. I'll invest in something that makes money while I work on another great idea to invest on. Sequando. Stop spending like you're a billionaire in disguise. Buying flashy things that lose value, like designer clothes or the latest iPhone, is like playing the game like a noob. Buying things that make money, like stocks or a side hustle, and investing in yourself, is like playing it like a boss. Thirdly, improve and diversify your skills. The more valuable you are, the more the game rewards you. Learn a skill that's in demand, and suddenly companies will be fighting over you. A quick history of money. Back in the day, humans were just trying to survive. No one was worried about credit scores or stock portfolios. They were like, do I have anything to eat? Or am I food for this ferocious bear? Can I trade this rock for a better rock? But nowadays, we are still wired for survival. Now we have landlord at our door instead of bears, student loans, depression, and the constant urge to buy overpriced coffee. This is the issue. Most people think short term. They get paid, spend it, and wonder where it all went. Rich people think long term. They ask, how can I make money that keeps making more money? The secret sauce, compounding. Here's the magic trick, compounding. When your money makes money, and then that money makes even more money. Invest, let's say $500 with a great interest rate, forget it exists. Also from time to time deposit $50 to $100 or even $25, and you'll see that compound interest doing its work. That initial $500 will keep on growing and growing every year. Fast forward 30 years, and you're sitting on a small fortune. The earlier you start, the better. 3 facts to stop being broke. Fact number 1, don't be in debt. If you're drowning in debt, you're playing the game backward. The stress of it alone will get you buried. Focus on building assets, stocks, real estate, or even a side business. No financing overpriced cars. Fact number 2, value time more than things. Rich people use money to buy freedom while believing in only one string of income shouldn't be the only time valuable in your life. If your job disappeared tomorrow, would you still have income? Fact number 3, think long-term, not short-term. Real wealth takes time. Skip the get-rich-quick schemes and focus on building skills and investments that pay off in the long run. Why your wallet is always empty? Let's break it down. You work hard, you make money, so why are you still broke? Main reason is You're not keeping tabs on your spendings? Don't treat your money like an ex-girlfriend that you want out the door by 11 p.m. She might never come back. Have this relationship with money where you enjoy its presence in your life, keep an eye on it, and track every dollar for a month. Cancel the unnecessary subscriptions, cook home instead of dining out. Another reason would be you're not investing. If your money is sitting in a savings account, inflation is eating it alive. Start investing. Even small amounts add up over time. Pretend every dollars are little soldiers on a side quest to bring more soldiers to build your empire. Index funds or crypto. Start small, but start. Lastly, spending on useless shit. Stop chasing the shining object you want instead of what you really need. Stop trying to look rich buying Gucci belts and Dior sweaters just because it might make you feel good. Forgot about the new tech that you don't need, but want to keep up with the Jones. If it doesn't make you money, don't buy it. Build income stream instead. So are you going to keep playing the game on hard mode, living paycheck to paycheck, stressed and broke? Or are you going to start stacking small wins that make future you rich, relaxed, and unbothered? With that said, thanks for watching. And don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and let's get rich together.